friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing a fun bookish unboxing. This is the almost dropped it. This is the October OwlCrate. Now I know I'm getting this up a little bit late, so I apologize for that, but I still wanted to get it up for you guys, so let's go ahead and unbox it together. Alright friends, so first up here on the top is of course the infographic card. This is the Legends and Lore box for October. Not going to check out the spoiler warnings as we're going to open it all together, but the first thing here on the top, oh wow, this is really pretty, is of course the OwlCrate pin that comes in every box. This one says, "When the shadows rise, so will the light." This is actually a pretty big pin for them too, but check this out, like the rainbow, like gold, like how pretty is that? Super gorgeous, love that. So it's a pretty heavy pin too as well. Nice. Okay, next we have a cozy bookish bowl cozy. What even is that? Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is interesting. I don't even know, what is this? This is: enjoy hot soups and stews while keeping your fingers cool with your new bowl cozy. Fabric designed by Gian LaCour is inspired by the fabric on the Spin the Dawn cover. Oh, cool. Okay, so you can just like, oh, love that. Okay, that's awesome. And I enjoy a lot of soups in the wintertime, so kudos to you, OwlCrate. Awesome. Okay, next we have a Solstasia Festival OwlCrate exclusive plant-based, there we go, plant-based soap bar from Motherland Essentials. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, oh, that's very soft and very melty. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells very earthy, very like, yeah, just kind of earthy. Let me see if it has the scent notes listed. Let's see, soap bar is, it doesn't say, but it has definitely, it's inspired by A Song of Wraith and Ruin. Words are hard today, guys. And it's a really pretty, like I said, earthy, kind of soft vanilla kind of smell. Really nice. I really like that. Okay, next we have something that is very noisy in here in an OwlCrate box. And this is wind chimes? Okay. Hold, please. Oh gosh. Okay, hang on. Okay. Oh, wow. This is cool. Wait, okay, hang on. How does this work? Hold, please. This is a mess. Hold on. Okay, wait, there we go. Maybe. Hold on, I'm gonna figure this out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be honest with you, that took me significantly longer than it probably should have. But look how pretty this is. And then it's got the little stars that hang down, and then the moon and the star above it. Like, this is really pretty. I really like this, and it's something so different than they've ever included too. I think this is awesome. And now I'm going to very carefully lay it down so it doesn't get tangled again, because that would happen to me. Okay, next in the box we have another OwlCrate box, and this says, "No matter where we are, we'll always share the same sky. We can always find each other in the same constellation." And this is a bamboo phone and tablet stand inspired by the Star-Touched Queen by Roshki Chachki. I can never say her name right. Roshni Chachki. Anyways, oh wow, this is really cool. Show me a dream unrealized. That's awesome. So it's just like a little pop-up stand. That's super cool. Love that. That's so pretty. Nice. I'm really obsessed with the stuff in this box. It's very useful stuff. You know what I mean? Next, okay, we have another OwlCrate box, and this is, let's see, "I don't want an easy life, I want a meaningful one. Glass nail file with carrying case." love that. If you guys can't tell, big fan of the nails, big fan, and love a really good nail file. So I'm really excited about this. I bet this is going to be really pretty. Let's see. Ooh, cute. Okay, so definitely comes with a little OwlCrate purple container. I knew this was going to be pretty. Look at that. That is stunning. It's got like the frosted white, super gritty, which is awesome. And then it has the purple too, which says fire in, fear out. I love that. Oh, that is awesome. And it's a really good quality too. Like, it feels very heavy. That's so cool. I think this probably will be my favorite item in the box for sure. Next, we have exclusive for OwlCrate subscribers, complimentary audiobook of Ray Bearer by Jordan Fuco. I know I'm saying that wrong, I apologize, but look how cool that is for Libro FM. I've heard this one is a really great audiobook subscription service. I have yet to try it, but added incentive, definitely might give it a go. Okay, and then, oh cool, there's an exclusive sneak peek of We Free the Stars by Hafsha Fazal. I know I'm going to say that wrong. This is, I think, the sequel to We Hunt the Flame, which I've heard a lot of people really enjoyed. And I think this is like the first few chapters. That's awesome. Super cool. All right, and the book for this month, which I know we are all very excited about, this is... Oh, wow, this is a beautiful book. This is Legendborn, which is an OwlCrate exclusive signed edition. Look how pretty. This is a hunk of a book. Holy cow. This is so pretty, and this is by Tracy Dion. I've heard so many people talking about this book that have said really amazing things for it. I know it's a fantasy. This is beautiful, though. I don't remember if they changed... This looks like the same cover. Hang on, I'm going to check the little OwlCrate booklet to see if they changed the cover. Okay, yeah, so they did change it a little bit. Like, the coloring on it is a little bit different from the original. Not too drastically, though, which is nice. But, yeah, awesome. I've been hearing really great things about this, so I am excited to pick it up. All right, and last, as always, in the box, it looks like the theme for the November box is going to be Growing Wild. Look at that. I love these little card art. They're so cute. And it looks like every November box will include an exclusive reading planner. Awesome. Super cool. Love me a good planner. So, yay. I loved that. That was probably one of my favorite boxes I think I've ever gotten from OwlCrate. So that was super cool. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my October unboxing of OwlCrate. I know I loved a lot of the items in this box this month. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, so I know you guys enjoy these unboxings, so I will make more here on my channel. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!